Welcome back to our channel. Having problems with your micro bend? Try these 2 exercises here. Grab your Theraband, drive your knee up, and leg extend. You're going to do this 3 sets, 10 reps. Take your time, as this is not as easy as it looks. I'm actually struggling here myself, and you need to drive the knee up and extend the legs. All right, so you'll find that this is quite complicated. So if you need to ditch the band and progress into it. Next exercise, sticks with a band. All right, same thing. If this is too difficult, drop the band and just start with the sticks and then progress into it. You're gonna start with 3 sets, 10 reps each side. All right, go slow and steady because you do want to feel those muscles activate and work. That's the whole point in these slow, steady stability exercises. All right, good luck. Incorporate these into your cross-training regimen and you are sure to become better at aerial. All right, we'll see you in the next video.